Hello guys, this is Max from Developer Websites, and today I want to show you how you can write the collection title everywhere you want. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, I will be thankful for the donations with the donation link in the description area under this video. Okay, there are cases where you need to write collection title with your Shopify customizer, and in my case it's not possible because there is collection title and description and they can be only together, so I can move them only below or above content. But in my case I want to be collection title above and collection description below the products. So how we can achieve it with a template? No, we can't. So we need to use custom liquid. We add section with custom liquid, just like this. Add section and right here use custom liquid. Now we can open it and write exactly what I wrote. So pay attention to the syntax and it will show the collection title you want. Also you can add all your styles right there. Nice. Okay, so probably I will want to add it to some custom borders, custom containers. So let's check with custom content, and right here I should be able to write. No, not able. Okay, so I'll add it with styles. So basically we added our title. Now we can move title to the top, remove title from this section and move this to the bottom. As you can see, let's save it, as title is on the top and the content is in the bottom. As you can see, it's not really inside container, so let's add the container to our content. Let's check the container class and it says wrapper, just wrapper. Okay, so let's do it and go to our custom liquid and add here div class wrapper and close our div. In my case it's wrapper, and save, and what we can see, the title, the content and the description. Okay, I want to add also padding, so let's add it right here. Style padding top 5%. So it looks good on mobile and on desktop too. Okay, and it didn't work. I'm sure I will need to use the margin. Let's check our code, and yeah, padding top style. I didn't write style. Sorry, oops. Okay, and that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave your donations, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have some questions, feel free to ask me in the comments area under this video, and I will create personal tutorial for you for free. Have a nice day and bye bye.